Nisha Tiwari here, studying in class 8 from Red Rose Senior Secondary School. Today, let's talk about the crime of child labor and its implications on the society. 12 June, the day on which the world observes Anti-Child Labor Day or World Day Against Child Abuse. Now, child labor, if I quote it in a sentence, is any form of activity that a child is forced to engage in that deprives him of his childhood. That includes his schooling, of course. Child labor is an evil practice and most of us already know that. But that's not all. Actually, we need to understand the extent of wrong this does to the child, and not only to the child but to the society as a whole. A child is not only an asset of his parents, instead it's an asset for the whole country, not to mention the whole world in a way. And every child is bestowed with a great amount of potential to do good to the society. But then again, we simply avoid these aspects, and some people just abuse their children or someone else's children for the sake of some nominal and short-term gains. Aren't these people degenerating a significant element of our society which will eventually lead the whole world in a downfall? The answer is obviously yes. In normal modern day terminology, the next generation of something seemingly appears to be the better version of the previous one. Then, letting the next generation of humans suffer and destroying their potential will probably not be a good idea. Now, what can we do? We have to open our eyes and not let this happen to anyone's child. And on the government's part, more stringent laws and their enforcement could help alleviate this practice and finally eradicate it from our society. Thank you.